Asterisk, asterisk, opening hook. Asterisk, asterisk, when the whistle of unseen interceptors slices through the high-altitude dusk, and the sky itself seems to fold beneath an incoming flash of speed. That is the moment when the future of air supremacy arrives. In the silent vastness above the Pacific, a winged phantom rises, built not just to fight, but to define what dominance in the air will mean for decades to come. This is the story of the next generation air dominance fighter. America's future guardian of the skies. Asterisk origin story. Asterisk. In the early 2010s, as near-peer nations rapidly advanced their own stealth fighter programs, the U.S. Air Force recognized the quiet but urgent truth. Even the mighty F-22 Raptor would one day face adversaries it could not overmatch. The rise of long-range radar systems, hypersonic missiles, and swarming drone tactics demanded something new, something beyond the fifth generation. By the mid-2010s, under the Air Dominance Initiative, the idea of a sixth-generation aircraft was born. The goal was not just to build another fighter, but an entire asterisk family of systems manned and unmanned platforms, all working together through seamless data links. This would become the Next Generation Air Dominance Program, NGAD. In 2025. After years of secret development and demonstrator flights, the U.S. Air Force awarded the main contract to Boeing, selecting its design as the core of the NGAD program. The aircraft would replace the F-22, operate alongside the F-35, and form the centerpiece of future American air superiority. Its unofficial name, F-47, the most advanced fighter jet ever conceived. Design and engineering, though its precise form remains classified. One truth stands out: NGAD is designed around invisibility. Reports and concept images suggest a sleek, tailless shape, a flying wing configuration designed to reflect and absorb radar waves in ways that make it nearly undetectable. Every angle, every surface is sculpted to deceive radar, infrared, and even optical sensors. The airframe uses next-generation composite materials, lightweight heat-resistant, radar. The fuselage and wings are likely merged into a single continuous body, minimizing drag and radar cross-section. Unlike fighters of the past, NGAD is built not for short, intense, but for deep penetration into hostile airspace, for striking first, unseen, and unstoppable. Inside its frame lies a digital nervous system, an open architecture, Avionics suite that fuses radar, infrared, electronic, and satellite data into one seamless image for the pilot. NGAD will not simply sense the battlefield. It will understand it, interpret it, and act upon it faster than any human could alone. But the NGAD is more than a single aircraft. It is a family of systems. The fighter acting as a commander, controlling swarms of unmanned drones known as collaborative combat aircraft, or C. These drones will carry missiles, sensors, or jamming pods, extending the jet's vision and strike range far beyond what one aircraft could achieve alone. Engines and power. The heart of the NGAD beats with an entirely new kind of power. Under the Next Generation Adaptive Propulsion Program, engineers have developed adaptive cycle engines, capable of changing their performance in real time. In cruising flights, they shift into high-efficiency mode, extending range far beyond that of today's fighters. But in combat, they switch instantly to high-thrust mode, delivering bursts of raw power that could push the jet to Mach 2 or beyond These engines are estimated to produce over 35,000 pounds of thrust, each providing the acceleration and climb rate needed to dominate any sky. The engines are also designed to generate massive electrical output power that will feed the jet's advanced radar array, electronic warfare systems, and even future directed dirge weapons. Every watt and every drop of fuel are optimized for flexibility and endurance. NGAD's combat radius, is expected to exceed asterisk 1,000 nautical miles asterisk more than double that of the F-22, a critical capability for operations across the vast Pacific, where distances between bases can span thousands of kilometers. Asterisk weapons and systems asterisk. The NGAD's weapons will remain hidden until the moment of launch. All armaments are stored internally to preserve stealth. These include next generation air-to-air missiles, precision standoff bombs, and potentially hypersonic munitions, capable of striking targets hundreds of miles away. Its avionics and radar will employ artificial intelligence, to assist in identifying, prioritizing, and even engaging multiple targets simultaneously. NGAD's sensor fusion, capability will enable the pilot to see and strike enemies long before they are detected themselves. Electronic warfare systems, including advanced jammers and decoys, will allow the NGAD to blind or confuse enemy radars. Its networked architecture, means it can share targeting data instantly with nearby drones, ships, or other aircraft in future variants. Directed energy weapons, lasers, or microwave emitters could become part of its defensive suite, capable of neutralizing incoming missiles or enemy drones at the speed of light. Combat and testing. Though its full combat debut lies in the future, NGAD's development has already entered the skies. In 2020, U.S. Air Force officials confirmed that a full-scale NGAD demonstrator had flown and broken records. Those flights proved the fundamental concepts: stealth, networked control, and adaptive propulsion could work together in one aircraft. Since then, classified testing at desert ranges and coastal bases has continued under extreme secrecy. Every test flight refines its aerodynamics, sensors, and software integration with drone wingmen. These early missions are the proving grounds for the future of aerial warfare. While the aircraft has not yet seen combat, its doctrine is already shaping training exercises. Pilots now simulate operating not alone, but as commanders of swarming autonomous craft in war games. NGAD acts as the central node in a web of unmanned systems, extending the pilot's reach and rewriting the very definition of air superiority. Tactics and doctrine, The tactics built around NGAD are as revolutionary as the aircraft itself. Traditional dogfighting, the close-range duels of the past, is giving way to system warfare. In this doctrine, the pilot no longer fights as an individual, but as a commander of a digital strike force. From hundreds of miles away, the NGAD can coordinate drones to scout, jam, or attack. It may never need to enter enemy radar range at all. If it does so invisible, with first detection, first shot, and first kill. In offensive operations, the NGAD would lead a formation of loyal wingmen, striking deep into contested airspace, eliminating command posts, enemy aircraft, and radar sites before they can respond. In defense, it would act as an airborne shield, coordinating intercepts, electronic jamming, and long-range engagements to protect allied assets. Every move will be defined by information dominance, the power to see, decide, and strike before the enemy even knows it is there. Comparison. To understand NGAD's importance, one must compare it to what came before. The F-22 Raptor, introduced in the 1990s, was the world's first fifth-generation fighter, stealthy, super-cruising, unmatched in agility. But even the Raptor was built for a different age, one where battles were fought over shorter ranges and with less electronic complexity. NGAD pushes the boundary further. It aims for greater range, more stealth, broader sensor fusion, and total network control. It is designed not to fight alone, but to command a swarm, a true force multiplier. Against China S***, J-20 Mighty Dragon **, or Russia-esque Suf-7 Felon **, NGAD's advantage will lie not just in its stealth, but in its ability to link with drones, satellites, and missile systems across domains. It turns a single fighter into a **, networked battle platform **. Still, challenges remain. Cost, maintenance, and the complexity of AI integration. But if it succeeds, NGAD will stand decades ahead of its rivals, the benchmark by which future air forces measure power. ###, modern relevance and future ***. The NGAD is expected to enter service in the early 2030s gradually replacing the F-22 Raptor. It will serve as the spearhead of American air dominance, especially in the Indo-Pacific theater. The Air Force envisions fielding ***, hundreds of NGAD fighters ***, supported by thousands of unmanned wingmen each cheaper, modular, and expendable. This distributed architecture ensures that even if one asset falls, the system continues to fight as a unified whole. Future versions may integrate more autonomy, enhanced range, and upgraded stealth coatings. With open architecture software, the aircraft can evolve with each technological leap, staying relevant for decades. In essence, NGAD is not just a fighter, it is the *** future ecosystem of American air power, where man and machine merge into a seamless, intelligent force. ****. Emotional ending reflection, in the cold silence above the world, where contrails fade into the blue and the horizon curves away into nothingness. The NGAD stands as a promise that no matter how warfare changes, the pursuit of air dominance endures. It is the heir to the legends of the P-51, the F-15, and the F-22, but it is something greater still. In its composite wings and adaptive engines lies the distilled essence of a century of innovation, courage, and sacrifice. When it takes to the sky, it carries not only the weapons of the future, but the legacy of every aviator who ever fought for control of the air. It reminds the world that air superiority is not merely a tactic, it is a statement. The NGAD does not roar for attention. It moves unseen, untouchable, unstoppable, and in its shadow, the balance of power itself may shift. In the vast, silent theater of the upper atmosphere, the future of flight has already begun.